How's it going, guys? My name is Shawn. Welcome to Venom Racing, and today we're going to be installing SUMA Performance convex mirrors on my 2019 Shelby GT350. These convex mirrors are going to increase your field of view, decrease your blind spot, and also it has anti-glare technology built into it. But the main benefit is that way you can watch all those Corvettes in your rear view mirror as you pass on the interstate. Also, it kind of looks cool with the blue tint on it as well too. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get the install ready and let's see if it's worth it. Alright guys, let's go ahead and have a comparison between the OEM mirrors and the SUMA Performance mirrors. So honestly, I didn't think it'd be this big of an effect, but you can see me here, my big head, and now see how much farther I'm away. That's insane, guys. I look like I'm probably about maybe at least 5 feet away in the SUMA mirrors compared to here where I'm right up in your face. So definitely this will help out with the blind spot and visibility. Let's get them on the car. Here's one more in-car comparison. You can definitely see your field of view is greatly increased. So you can actually see the red car behind us, the Honda, and this and the OEM. You can kind of see the edge of it, but that's insane, guys. What's up, babe? Alright guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and get to the install, which is pretty easy. A little nerve-wracking because you don't want to break your mirrors, but the best part is you just turn the mirror out to the side like that, gives you a little bit of space to work with. Here's the driver's side. So what we're really wanting to do is in these three, turn the point. These three spots right here, there's a little pin that we gotta push back, and that'll allow for the mirror to release. Just saw we're not going back to OEM mirrors now. There's the result. All right, guys. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do is first, we're gonna push this mirror open, and as looking at this side, we know that there's a pin right here that we need to push back, one right there, and one right there. Alright guys, see that little round knob underneath the green wire? That's what you're looking for. I got the one on the inner part of the mirror, both of those sides. Like I said, there's two, there's one on the top, one on the bottom. You just gotta pry up against it and it just comes right off like that. It should just be barely hanging on now. And we probably won't even have to go to the other side to pull it off. Just don't break this one too. Alright guys, and it should just shake loose right here. And depending on what model of Mustang that you have, this has a blind spot indicator lights. So I'm gonna have a little bit of wires to disconnect right here. And that's pretty much how you take the OEM mirrors off. Just don't drop it like me. As now we have the new SUMA Performance, as I showed you earlier, the comparison definitely increases your field of view. Alright, so we pretty much just connect all the wires as we took them off, and then we'll pop it back in there. The install is complete. Now I'm going to go take it for a spin, and we're going to go see if it's worth your money or not. Driving around with the SUMA Performance mirrors, I noticed a few things. They are an improvement over the OEM mirrors, hands down. You have an increased field of view, decreased blind spot, but there are a few cons. The blue glare is a little strange at first to kind of see what's behind you a little bit. I think I'll get used to that over time. Another thing is too, because you are having an increased field of view, the cars behind you are farther away, and it's kind of hard to see what car is following behind you. So if you think it's a cop behind you, well, it's going to be harder to figure out if that's true or not, if it is actually a cop, or if you're looking for someone behind you, it's going to be harder to see. That's the only downside I could really potentially see on these things. I will say it's like putting a fisheye lens over like a normal camera lens. That's kind of the changes that you'll notice, because you're going to have an increased field of view. You just won't be able to be as zoomed in as normally. So I would say definitely 2 thumbs up for the SUMA Performance convex mirrors. Thanks again, SUMA Performance, for sending us out a pair. I'm just gonna keep them on there. I mean, I broke the OEM one, so there's no going back now, but I have no regrets going forward. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video helped, and there will be a discount link in the description if you guys want to pick up a set of these mirrors for your Shelby GT350 or just plain Mustang, or hell, they make it for the Civic Type R, they make it for Teslas as well too, and a few other models. So go ahead and check out their website. Great product, and we will see you guys in the next one. Subscribe, hit the like button, and also hit the bell notification, and we will see you in the next one.